Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are creating another Python project. This is another video of our Python project series, and now in this video we are creating fidget spinner using Python. So all we need is just PyCharm. If you don't have PC, then you can code in your mobile too. I had already made a video on how to code in your mobile, so the link is given in description, you can check it out. So now let me open my PyCharm community edition. Here it is opened, a new update is available. Let me close it. We are using import, we are using turtle, and the code size is about 36 lines. The code link is given in description. Now let me press run to run this code. Here you can see a graphic is loaded, and as you press space it starts spinning. If you hold the space, then it is moving very fast. And now I had stopped pressing space button. Now it is just simply losing its speed and coming back to normal. So let's wait for it. So here the spinner has lost its speed, and if I press again space again, and this starts moving again. Now let me close this window. And if you want the code link is given in description. This is for the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.